Here's a little parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. Black base. Long thin stone, or maybe cut it in half and do a couple of stones. Again, you can see the colours there. This piece is an interesting piece in that it's crystal, appears to be more crystal, and you're getting flashes of colour. You can see one little bar there, but not sure what's going to happen with that. Could end up a nice stone. There's a little bit of colour showing there as well. It's got this skin on it. Don't know what that's going to end up like. Again, dark blues. Last piece. And then these few pieces I'm just going to throw in as part of the deal for nothing. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Cheers.